Hi everybody. Well, today I'm in Manti, I think that's how you pronounce it, Utah, at the Big Daddy Roth Museum. And I'm just going to take you around. Um, for those who don't know, I mean, I grew up in the 60s and Big Daddy Roth was a big thing with Fink. And he was uh, he designed custom cars and like this little thing here, and he was a cartoonist and a pinstriper, and I mean, there he is, Fink. Now they do a reunion here every year, I think in June. You'd have to look up for the exact date for this year, but I said I grew up seeing these images. You know, he did all kinds of monsters, and eventually Fink got a girlfriend. So there's just tons and tons of memorabilia here. And he was born in Beverly Hills in 32, I think. And eventually started building these, a giant Fink. Started building these interesting trucks, cars, obviously a trike. But we knew him mostly through models. They did, so all these different models. I mean, that was one of his cars. There's another one. So basically this museum is just full of all kinds of memorabilia, and he actually really hit it big on the drag scene, where he would show up and do custom shirts. So he would use the airbrush and draw on your shirt. Now I want to make sure to get this in before the battery dies on me. But this was his last creation he was working on when he passed away in 2001. It was called the Boogie Wagon, and in 2020 the family put it back together. But this has got a Corvette engine, custom frame, handmade body, and what never got done, I said, as he passed away. But so I don't know. Don't really know if this was his garage or and then turned into the museum. But yeah, it's cool to me to be able to walk around and just see all the memorabilia and stuff. Let me see, down this aisle I think was where there was, nope, other aisle. I said, well, here's a couple of the models you could buy. Spend all the time as buy the model, put it all together. I don't know how many kids got high with the gluing these things together, and buying the little jars of paint and doing the custom paint jobs on these things. Sometimes you try to copy exactly, and sometimes you get real creative. So How many classic TV and movie people can you name in this? I mean, there's a little bit of everybody in here. Again, more models. And there's a huge gift shop here that I'm probably gonna pick up a thing or two. But yeah, sort of wish there was more cars, but that's the way it is. Little teardrop trailer that is actually sitting outside. Oh, that's an interesting helmet. So this man basically encouraged a whole generation to embrace the weird. And I think I'll leave you at that before my battery dies. Camera's starting to mess up. And I'm going to get on the road. I'm enjoying having a little time off from the land and building. But in a few weeks, I'll be back down there and we'll be back to building stuff. So, all right. See you down the road. And stay safe, my friends. Bye.
Well, we jumped off the wagon